Hello Aries and welcome to your weekly love reading. So this reading is going to be from the 20th till the 26th of January. Okay, and take only those messages that resonate to your situation and leave the rest, since it is a general reading. And if you had a calling to click on this video, then these messages are for you. So let's see messages for the sign of Aries. 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 Okay. We have judgment, courage, patience, and we have surrender. So कोई पर्सन आपसे रिलेटेड कोई डिसीजन लेना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, बट दे आर नॉट गैदरिंग द करेज, दे आर नॉट गैदरिंग लाइक वो इस कनेक्शन में बैलेंस लाना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, हारमनी लाना चाहते हैं, इसको चीज़ों को बैलेंस आउट करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन वो कर नहीं पा रहे, उनके अंदर वो करेज नहीं आ रही कि वो आपसे रिलेटेड कोई डिसीजन लें. However, this person wants to make a decision regarding you and this connection, और ऐसा मुझे दिखाया जा रहा है दैट you have patience, okay, and just surrender everything to the divine. If you will surrender everything to the divine, then things will unfold for you. चीज़ें आपके लिए बिल्कुल बेहतर होंगी अगर you leave everything to God and your angels, ancestors and the universe. Okay, and bottom of the deck abundance है, तो definitely मैं यहाँ पे abundance और success आते हुए देख रही हूँ, ठीक है. Also I see that we have the card of loneliness. तो ये दिखाया जा रहा है कि जैसे ये पर्सन आपसे रिलेटेड कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेते. माइट बी पॉसिबल इनकी कोई विशी वॉशी एनर्जी है, या ये इनके कुछ कोई नेगेटिव साइड है इनकी, आप कोई डार्क साइड है, या ये कुछ ऐसी आपको मैनिपुलेटिव बिहेवियर शो करते हैं और आपके साथ दे आर नॉट फुली ट्रांसपेरेंट अबाउट द फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस, एंड this person is disturbing you a lot. That's why the angels are saying that you need to surrender to the divine so that things will be unfolding in your favor. So let's see what else do we have for the sign of Aries. Let's see what else do we have for the sign of Aries. So we have balance and rejection. So I was talking about balance, okay, कि ये पर्सन इस सिचुएशन में बैलेंस लाना चाहते हैं, हार्मनी लाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन ये करेज गैदर नहीं कर पा रहे कि कैसे चीज़ों को ये अलाइन करें. आई ऑल्सो सी दैट इन पर्सन को आपने कोई ऑफ़र प्रेजेंट किया था, जिस ऑफ़र को इन्होंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया था, और ये अब चीज़ों को बैलेंस आउट करना चाहते हैं. इन्हीं का फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि ये चीज़ों को बैलेंस आउट करें, लेकिन वो जो एक करेज, ये जिस करेज के साथ ये चीज़ों को बैलेंस आउट कर सकते हैं, दे आर नॉट able to gather that courage. But however, we will see further that what will happen. Let's see messages for the sign of Aries. Let's see messages for the sign of Aries. Let's see, show me more messages for the sign of Aries. Weekly love reading from the 20th till the 26th of January. Show me more messages for the sign of Aries. Show me more messages for the sign of Aries. We have the 5 of Cups, then we have the 9 of Wands, then we have the 10 of Swords, and we have the Page of Cups. So definitely in person को आपने पास में कोई ऑफर प्रेजेंट की थी. And bottom of the deck we have the Tower, we have the 9 of Pentacles, we have the 2 of Wands. आप दोनों के बीच में डेफिनेटली एक एंडिंग हुई है, एक टावर मोमेंट आया है, और आई सी कि इस वक्त ये पर्सन जो हैं वो आपकी एनर्जी को मिस कर रहे हैं. 9 of Wands, they put healthy boundaries around them. 10 of Swords, they created facade, an unnecessary facade and drama in the situation, and इन्होंने आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पेन से गुजारा है. लेकिन विद द पेज ऑफ कप्स आई सी दैट इन पर्सन के दिल में आपके लिए फीलिंग्स हैं, इन पर्सन के दिल में आपके लिए जज्बात हैं, फीलिंग्स हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि इनकी ज़िद, हरदर्मी और ईगो स्टिक नेचर की वजह से आप दोनों के बीच में एंडिंग आई है. Right now I'm picking up this energy that this person is also going through a lot of pain, okay, a lot of pain, and this person with the 2 of Wands, I see that this person is waiting for the right time to approach you. However, this person is ready to give you some sort of a love offer with this Page of Cups. but इनको पता है that they have created so much facade and drama in this situation that they don't know how to do it. वही बात आ गई that they are not able to gather that courage, ठीक है, जिससे ये आपकी तरफ आएँ और चीज़ों को बैलेंस आउट करें, ठीक है, क्योंकि with balance we have the rejection card. So instead of balancing out the situation, they rejected your offer. And now this person is, I see with the 5 of cups, that this person is seriously regretting over the decision that they made. Okay, show me this person's feelings and energies towards the Aries. Show me this person's feelings and energies towards the Aries. So we have the Ace of Pentacles with the 2 of Swords, and then we have the Fool and the Chariot. This person wants to have a new beginning in love with you. Then something makes them like ये confuse हो जाते हैं. कोई चीज़ होती है जिसकी वजह से ये बहुत ज़्यादा confuse हो जाते हैं. And लेकिन with the Chariot and the Fool, I see a forward action and a forward movement towards you, towards this love will be made. Why? Because chariot with the Fool is a very action oriented card. Okay, Chariot is already an action oriented card, and with the Fool, that means that will be a new beginning in love. And with the Ace of Pentacles, this person is planning to give you a love offer. This person is planning to give you a new beginning offer. 3 of Wands, Justice, and the Ace of Swords. This person is thinking about bringing harmony and balance. And again we have balance, and now we have the Justice. So ये person सोच रहे हैं कि चीज़ों को कैसे balance out करें. So this person is seriously thinking about, and I also see that this person is keeping tabs on you. I also see that this person is, with the Ace of Swords, they're ready to give you the clarity. 2 aces, Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Swords, new beginnings, new beginning in love, new communication, okay, back and forth communication. With the Justice card, however, I also see that communication is going to come your way. And with the Page of Cups, I see that we previously had the Page of Cups, and I see that this person is ready to offer you their cup of love. And this person is seriously thinking about bringing harmony and balance into the situation. Show me Aries feelings towards this person. Show me Aries feelings towards this person. We have the Sun, then we have the 7 of Swords, then we have the King of Wands. Might be possible कि आप दोनों के बीच में कोई third party भी है. Yeah, this third party is their ego, or their their other issues, like they are very egoistic in nature, or otherwise मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप दोनों के बीच में कोई third party involvement है. However, with the Sun, this person sees their entire happiness with you. They want you to be the mother or father of their children as well. With the 7 of Swords, this person backstabbed you. ठीक है, इन person ने आपको ditch किया, backstab किया. This person was in and out. This person was hot and cold, and बहुत ज़्यादा ego है यहाँ पे. जो इनकी energy मैं pick कर रही हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा ego है. Bottom of the deck, we have 10 of Wands, we have the Page of Wands, and we have the Empress. Emperor with the Empress. Aries energy, Sun के साथ Leo energy. Basically all the signs are present here. Aries, Leo, Sag. Leo की energy बहुत strong है. Aries की energy बहुत strong है. Cancer की energy strong है, ठीक है. और एम्प्रेस है तो टॉरस और लिब्रा की एनर्जी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. तो बेसिकली इन पर्सन को अपने कंधों पे एक बहुत हैवी शोल्डर महसूस हो रहा है कि ये आपकी तरफ आना चाहते हैं, आपको लव ऑफर देना चाहते हैं. They also want to make you their spouse. They want to give you the stability, okay, and that you required in this connection. I also see that with the Empress, this person knows that you won't take less than what you deserve. And with the Page of Wands, I see that you are expecting communication from this person, and that communication will be coming your way. Show me the outcome of the situation. 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 Make a wish. With the 9 of Cups, it will come true. Okay, we have the Queen of Cups, and then we have the 7 of Wands, we have the High Priestess, we have the 9 of Cups, then we have the Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck, we have King of Cups, we have 10 of Cups, we have the Hermit, Virgo energy. You could be dealing with all the signs are present: Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, and Sag. All the signs are present. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So the thing here is that this person has emotions for you. Queen of Cups over here, King of Cups over here. That makes you a power couple. That makes you both, stand out in the crowd. You two are power couple, divine counterparts, divine masculine, divine feminine. However, this person backstab you, ठीक है, लेकिन इनको ऐसा भी लगता है that you are also very secretive, that you have kept your feelings hidden from this person, that you have not been fully transparent with this person. And what this person wants, that in case I give Aries a new offer, like they think in that way, this person, Aries should be open, लाइक आप इनके सामने भी एक खुली किताब की तरह हों, और एंड वाइस वर्सा आप भी ये चाहते हैं कि ये पर्सन आपके सामने एक खुली किताब की तरह हो. However, we have got all the 3 aces over here. Now we have got the Ace of Cups. So मैं ये देख रही हूँ कि आपकी तरफ डेफिनेटली कोई न्यू बिगिनिंग आएगी, और 9 of Cups है, तो दिस पर्सन sees you as a wish come true. And we have the 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups, emotional fulfillment. ये पर्सन आपके साथ एक हैप्पी फैमिली मैरिड लाइफ चाहते हैं. दे वॉन्ट द एंटायर हैप्पीनेस विद यू, एंटायर जॉय विद यू. दे वॉन्ट अ फुलफिल्ड लाइफ विद यू, ठीक है. सो इनकी तरफ से डोंट वरी एरिस, आपको लव ऑफर आएगी, क्योंकि पास्ट में इन्होंने आपकी एनर्जी को रिजेक्ट किया, आपकी ऑफ़र को रिजेक्ट किया, और ये पछता रहे हैं वो करके, और ये अब आपकी तरफ एक ऑफ़र लेके आ रहे हैं. So I will leave this reading over here. Thank you so much, Aries. Please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next. Till then, take care and bye.